ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲದೆ ಉಡುಪಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಲ್ಪೆ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಿಂದ ಸುಮಾರು 80 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯೊಳಗೆ ಈ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಿಂದ ತುರ್ತು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮ್ಲಜನಕ ಪೂರೈಸಲಾಗುವುದು. 7,000 ಲೀಟರ್ ಹಾಗೂ 1,300 ರಿಂದ 1,400 ಲೀಟರ್ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯದ ತಲಾ 10ರಂತೆ 20 ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ಗಳು ಈ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸದ್ಯ ಲಭ್ಯವಿದೆ. ಅಗತ್ಯವಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಏರ್ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುವುದು ಎಂದು ಸೋನು ಸೂದ್ ಸಾಗ್ ERT ತಂಡದ ಅಮಿತ್ ಪುರೋಹಿತ್ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Honorable members of the press, I Amit Purohit from SWAG ERT and Sonu Sood Foundation would like to welcome you all that you have come out to cover this noble drive adu rapid oxygen center by Sonu Sood along with GRP Bangalore Karnataka Police. Now this is our center number 4. In Karnataka Rajyalli adu center number 4 ide which is getting launched today. This center will cater to 80 kilometer radius from Mangalore. Whether region is Udupi, Malpe, anywhere, if there is an oxygen crisis, this center is completely capable of providing emergency oxygen in that particular situation. We have divided the program into 2 parts. First will be a very small training session, which through media we want this to reach every part of Karnataka, so that people know how to operate medical equipments, and we'll train people from the police, also the police personals, on how to handle medical gases. That training I'll complete in the next 5 minutes, and then we have question sessions with the media, and I'll give you brief also. Without wasting anybody's time, I'll move on to the training session. Whenever cylinder rolling, not it. Only way to roll cylinder is this. Okay? Cool. ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಬೇಕು. Who's coming?
सर ये आप ही आ जाओ. ये आ गए ये रहे.
बन्नी ನೋಡಿ. First of all, you have to understand that cylinders are of how many types. ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಬೇಕು. In any medical scenario, the airtight cylinder is there. This one is called type B cylinder. Type B andre capacity 1 cubic meter gas, top weight 10.2 kg. People also call it the 10 liter cylinder. Type B, B andre Bombay. This is the main cylinder which is used everywhere, here in hospitals, everywhere. Cylinder other type D. Type D andre type Delhi. Adu capacity in liter weight is 47 liter cylinder, it is called. 7 cubic meters of gas comes in this cylinder. 7 cubic meters andre 7,000 liters of gas is available. There is one myth. 10 liter cylinder plus 47 liter cylinder andre 10 liter gas, 47 liter gas. Adu correct illa. This carries 7,000 liters of gas. This carries 1,400 liters of gas. Equipment which I am holding right now is called the flow meter, which is the most important. Without flow meter, cylinder use agala. Adu humidifier bottle, ನೋಡಿ ಅದು humidifier bottle. We have to use this only with distilled water. Where will you get distilled water? Only medical shop. Do not put hose water. ಮನೆ ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ. Okay, don't put that. Connect the humidifier bottle, put the flow meter, install the flow meter through this, and cylinder is ready for use. I will give complete demo. Okay, Chabi. It is not a difficult process. Tighten up with the panel. Don't make it very tight also. Demo. That's okay. That's okay. It's tight here. Wait. Nasal mask. Open it. Cylinder can be used anytime again. Flow meter can be used anytime. Humidifier can be used anytime. Nasal mask cannot be used again. It's a complete disposable thing. You have to throw it after use. Connect it there. Start. You are dummy patient for us, okay? Dummy patient. Okay, emergency. Wear it. All the mask. The new piece, no problem. Extra oxygen for you. Throw back. Chabi. In Karnataka, so many oxygen-related incidents have happened because people didn't have access to this. Kindly note, as a guarantee, in rural areas, many people have taken cylinders without this. You put flow meter, humidifier, mask. If chabi is not there, LNG is not there, cylinder is of no use, it will not even open. I have personally seen many tragedies happening just because this small piece was not available. Kindly educate everybody that this chabi is completely important, otherwise cylinder will not open. Open. Okay. Good. Doctor will tell you how many liters of gas we need per minute. Only under medical supervision. Liters of usage gas per minute is directly connected to your SpO2 level, saturation level. If doctor is suggesting and flow rate 4. Start. It is mentioned here. Please bring it to 4. This is 4. Patient is getting oxygen. At speed of 4 liters per minute, oxygen is going to him. If emergency case is there, critical case, you can take it up to 10 and beyond. It's completely on to you. That's how flow meter and gases should be used. Okay, close it. Please try. Volunteer. Completely he should try.
Key open.
Let him put it. It will take only 60 seconds. Hey, how can patient talk? Come here. It's a mock drill. Okay?
Full tight.
Start with the button. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Thank you. Let him get the Okay. Very good. Flow rate, please change it to 5. Make it 5. 5. Very good. 5. Super. Now patient is receiving oxygen. At speed of 5 he is getting, and now police is completely trained to deal with medical gas. Okay, close it. Close this. Close it. Completely.
Tight.
Best way to do it, I did push. 3. Close. Okay. Next volunteer please. Bunny, please. Bunny. ಹೆಸರು ಮಧು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ರಾತ್ರಿ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ GRP ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬೇಕಾ, ತುಂಬಾ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಡೆಮೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಫ್ಲೋ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 6 6 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ per minute. ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್. ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ. Cylinder seal ಮಾಡಿ. Super. Okay, round of applause for all volunteers. High pressure medical oxygen. Okay? 2 things people should remember always. Number 1, drive-thru total room should have ventilation. Do not use this in a very closed room, completely closed room, because it is not blasting gas, but it is still flammable. High pressure oxygen. Whenever you are using it, kindly use it in proper ventilation. Second, when you are returning cylinder back after the use, kindly sanitize and give it back to GRP. Because cylinder will be used by a COVID patient, there are chances metal might have infection. Okay? Not many people are noticing it. Do not use alcohol-based sanitizer on this. Mix water or use water-based sanitizer. Because alcohol plus flammable gas sometimes can cause hazard. Okay? Yes? In press conference, you can question me, turn out. There is no problem. Don't do it ever. Movement of cylinder should always be like this. Okay? If it is a bigger cylinder, to move. Hold it like this, keep taking. Take it wherever you want. This side, wherever. That's the only way, master way of moving the cylinder. Aita? Ellargi clear ide? Okay? All right. It is very, very clear. In Mangalore namdu center ide, center by Sonu Sood along with GRP. It's a 24-hour center, just not for Mangalore, but any surrounding district near Mangalore, up to 70 to 80 kilometers. On the request Bharate Andre, we have to cater to it. Whether patient's relative is coming to GRP station or we have to go to patient's place, no problem. We will do our complete duty, but ensure oxygen reaches the right time to the right hands. Adu namdu uddeshya. In GRP station in Bangalore, 20 cylinders will be available, but as in Mangalore only. But as Sonu Sood Foundation and GRP, we have no supply problem. Our members from GRP, Mr. Nayak will inform us on a daily basis. See, we have a command center and a call center. Sonu Sood in next 1 hour will tweet a dedicated number. You would have seen for every city he is doing in Karnataka with us. He will tweet a dedicated number for this region to call. People can call on that number. Call will go to one analysis team. Analysis team will identify whether you actually need oxygen or it's just a panic call. Then when team decides that this is oxygen case, that call moves to a internal doctor. Internal doctor talks to the patient, decides whether a dispatch has to happen or not.
This internal doctor is available in Bangalore or in...
It's in a call center, in the centralized command center. It's on phone support. So one call comes, they validate, move it to the doctor. Doctor decides whether O2 is required or not. One doctor approves the ticket comes to GRP station. They will dispatch. The entire activity happens from the back end. ಇವಾಗ 20 ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಇದೆ. It completely depends on the demand. If there is demand, supply will be met immediately. Cylinders are airlifted, there is no travel time involved, and we as Sood Foundation, we have enough resources to cater to any segment of the society, especially working in rural Karnataka. Adu namdu uddeshya. One mission, one goal. Keep Karnataka breathing. Ashte. Good question. Walk-in is also allowed. People who don't have Twitter access, digital access, phone access can directly come to the GRP station. GRP is completely equipped and trained to take a voice call and dispatch the cylinder. There is no obstacle in the system. There is no form you have to fill, wait for 20 minutes to get one oxygen cylinder, nothing. Your situation first, your medical priority first, formalities will happen later, no problem. Sir, that's a joint call that we have to take. If at that time GRP is not catering to any other emergency call, we will still dispatch it. Because small cylinders are very mobile. Yes, vehicles will carry. Vehicles will carry. If you look at our Hubli edition, GRP has done a lot of midnight operations, wherein police vans, they have rushed to places where there were no roads, but they have gone and given oxygen, and that in that particular case. So they have certain protocols. They maintain distance from the patient and all that is done. That protocol is given. But I must say that GRP has been well trained to handle any kind of operation. We call this a complete rescue mission. And the staff members of GRP are completely trained on it, just like commandos. Yes, but in critical cases. So I will clear that situation. If it's a discharge and post-discharge you need oxygen, we are not for that. We are a completely critical care. Critical care andre when you are not getting a bed, not getting a hospital, or you are in an ambulance and you need oxygen to go to the hospital or bigger town, we will fit in that gap. Till you find a bigger solution, we are emergency stop gap solution. We cannot be in home treatment because home treatment can last up to 7 to 14 days. And we have to circulate our service to many, many patients. So we are primarily into emergency service. That is why you see the word rapid has been used there. Rapid Oxygen Center. And all thanks to our ADGP GRP, Bhaskar Raoji, under his mentorship, under his fleet, under his army, as Sonu Sood Foundation and Swag Bikes, it became very easy for us to spread out in Karnataka. Swag Bikes is a company based out of Bangalore. We were delivering cylinders on our bikes. We were a bike rental company. Then we became Sonu Sood Foundation Swag Yati. And then now with GRP, So many hands have come together that we can go anywhere in Karnataka. Bhaskar sir has made every GRP station into an oxygen center, which means in Karnataka you are not away from oxygen at all. Within 100 kilometers you will find an oxygen center. This is the fourth one. See, Bangalore, Bellary, Hubli, Mangalore. Now we are launching Hassan, Davangere, Kolar, Mysore, everything. Kolar station will operate from Bangarpet. So I think this is a great project in Karnataka and it's the best use of resources. You will see private sector and public sector coming together to serve the people of Karnataka. And I think this time it's an impeccable operation. I also feel that members of the press are equally a part of this. Apart from writing and reporting, you are also commandos of the same unit. Tomorrow you can tell us directly, we need oxygen here, kindly send. You have full authority to carry out this operation and command us that, hey, team, kindly deliver oxygen in this area. We will cater to that call as we do to GRP. The number is mentioned in your press release. I will still give you the number. It's 706 999 9961. I repeat, 706 999 9961. It's also printed on the truck. We have a truck that keeps moving in Karnataka. Very shortly, the same truck will be used for other ERT drives by Sonu Sood, which I will give only a very small hint that first time we will be creating for Karnataka a private fire engine and flood rescue truck by Sonu Sood. It's on the launch. So the equipment is under import. We will be an auxiliary unit to the fire brigade also. Today we are reaching where oxygen is not reaching. In few days we will be reaching where it is difficult for fire brigades to reach or fire brigades cannot reach in enough number. This truck will also report to the fire brigade very, very soon and join in all operations of the NDRF just like a task force. So we are dedicated and committed to it as Sonu Sood team. Just 45 days to reach here. It's a well-planned operation that we are doing. It is just not a random effort that we are putting and throwing it out. At the oxygen plant. What is the name of the oxygen plant? Is it Mangalore? Mangla. At Mangla Gases. Yes. The plant, all the plants are cooperating with us and they are helping. That is 7,000 liters of gas in that. 7 cubic. See, there is a simple math which you can bring awareness to people. 1 cubic meter is approximately 1,400 liters of gas. Approximately. 7 cubic meters has 7,000 liters of gas. If you use it at the rate of 4, you can do simple division. You can use it up to 24, 26 hours. If you use it at 2, you can use it for 1.5 days also. Continuously. So that is available. How many big? 10-10. Our ratio is always 10-10. 10 big, 10 small. And whenever GRP says that cylinders are required, immediate refilling will be done. Replenishing of sources can be done because Mangalore has a very active airport. So whether we have to fly it from Mumbai or Bangalore, it will reach. There is no problem. Most of them are airlifted only.
ಸ್ವಾಗ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂಗಳೂರು GRP ಠಾಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಷಿಪ್ರ ಆಮ್ಲಜನಕ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಸಹ ತುರ್ತು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಲಭ್ಯವಾಗುವಂತೆ 20 ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಒದಗಿಸುವಂತೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಠಾಣೆಯ GRP ಠಾಣೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಯವರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಆ ತಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಗತ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಳಸ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಯವರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ತರಬೇತಿ ನೀಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸೇವೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ತುರ್ತು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಸಹ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಕರವಾಗಿದೆ.